Hello everyone, this is Eeshani. Welcome to Ivy's YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about not a technical part in Power BI, but more on aesthetics, that is working with the themes. A lot of time, I'm sure when you went online and looked at a lot of different type of dashboard by people, you've seen very beautiful dashboard with very good color combinations and background colors. Initially, when we start working with the reports, we get a white canvas to work with. So this is a very good feature in Power BI called themes, which helps us to give beautiful designs in the sense in the color combinations to our dashboard. So let's get started. You will find the themes in the view tab. If I click on view, over here are themes. These are all the themes that you have. So for example, if I click on this, so automatically the canvas color has changed. If I'm going to drop any of the field, then automatically the bar colors and everything is already preset in the themes, right? Now, another interesting thing is that even though I have these themes already available to us, but sometimes we are not very, this is probably not the theme that I'm looking for. We can also go to theme gallery. And in theme gallery, it takes you to the Power BI community where you will see a lot of designs over here. So when you browse through it, and if you like any of the templates that are over here, now what to look for? It may not be that you're getting the background color in all the themes, but yes, the different color combinations. Like over here, I have a blue and an orange, blue and a green combinations, whereas this is more of a red combination. This is again more blues. These are greens and the grays. So you have to go through the theme that you would like to, bring in your Power BI. Once you've decided in the theme, then we can start working in our Power BI. So let's take a simple example. Let's say if I wanted to import this theme, the blues and the grays. So we're going to click on report view. So it shows me the dashboard on the top. This also helps me to get a lot of inspiration of what all design types could be there. And when you scroll at the bottom, you will see that there is a JSON file sitting at the bottom. So we're going to download this JSON file. Once this is done, I can go back to Power BI, go to themes, and now that I have the JSON file, I can browse for more themes, and it is sitting in the downloads over here. So once I click on it, the theme has been imported. Now, if I would have created, let me just get a quick data set. Okay, if I get I'm going to get a quick data set in Power BI. And now if I create a visualization using it, just going to create a simple column chart to see what are the color combinations has been picked from the theme. So let's click over here. Clustered column from the orders table. I'm going to get the country and the sales value. And once I do that, so it has got this gray theme that was there in the all themes that we have picked up, right? So if I go up, this is all gray themes. This is how it has picked up. Similarly, if I create a free map like it is shown over there, then if I put, again, if I put the subcategory and I put the sales value, you will see kind of similar, the grays and the blues is what I'm getting. So this really helps us to, kind of make our dashboards look a little more centric to the color that we are looking for. It may not be very monotonous with the same kind of dashboards we are creating. So you can always import theme or you can use the existing theme. In fact, in the existing themes also, if I pick any, I can further go and customize the current theme. So when you're customizing, you can change few colors. You can change how the look and feel of your text is, whether it's a title or a card or a header, how the pages are there, how the filter pages will appear. All these things we can modify. So I really like this feature of Power BI. Hope you enjoyed it as well. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon again with another video. Thank you so much.